Good morning. Welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday. That is the complete last week and what we expected in the last week. As a follower of our presentation, last week we didn't post any videos due to some technical reasons. But we know that the trend in crude oil was down. So now whenever I place a candle on the cursor on any candlestick, you can see the date and time below. Now we are going to focus on this particular zone of 4760. In the last week, if we see on 11th, continuously on 11th, the price tried to take some support around 4760s. You can see there was a very constant and continuous effort. A failure to sustain this particular 4760 pushed the price down till you can notice that it came down till 4530s. From there, what happened? The market gave a bounce back, and now it went and stayed near 4670 and closed around 4660. So this was the entire price action what we witnessed in the yesterday's market. After a big drop, there was a bounce back, which is normal because it happens due to profit booking. So what we can do today and how we can position ourselves for today's trading, as I had mentioned, this 4760 is going to be a very crucial zone for crude oil, because we had seen last week that people are interested in buying crude above 4760. So only if the price moves above 4760, people will be more interested in go for buying, which means that till 4760 you can expect crude oil to stay in downtrend, which means this resistance on major resistance you can expect crude oil to go for selling, and also this contract will come to a close within this week. So we need to be very careful for the next contract. We will clearly frame a strategy and we will go with that. So as of now, till 4760 you can expect crude oil to stay in downtrend. Next, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX natural gas market in the same video presentation. Now we are going to see how we can trade in MCX natural gas market. Last week we didn't had any video presentation due to some technical reasons, as I mentioned earlier. Now we are focusing on this 256. So this happened on 11th of last week. We'll be focusing on this 256. You could see that after a drop, we know that the natural gas dropped. It went for a very good bull run from 235, and now there was a drop. So this 256 providing a very good support for natural gas market for the entire last week. A failure to support 256 resulted in the price to drop till 246, and now you could see the price came down to break that. Then again finally we got some bounce back and price closed around 249. So this was the entire price action what we witnessed in the last week market. So what we can do today, how we can position ourselves for today's trading. Today the price is expected to open above 252. So which means that if this 256 is not providing a resistance, or in other term, if the price can break 256 and if it can convert this 256 into a support, then it means that the price can regain its buying strength and it can turn this into another bullish market. So this is going to be the key. You can expect the price to open higher, and even then this 256 you could see that it should act as a resistance, and if the price is not giving any resistance, then it is going to be a bull run for natural gas. So stay closed and watch this 256 zone very carefully. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. As usual, you can depend on our charting tool to keep in the right direction throughout the trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.